How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
That feels fun. Okay.
When we first met Gizmo, it was clear he was more than just a parrot. His feathers were dull, his eyes seemed far away, and his body was tense. He had spent years confined to a small cage, almost never experiencing affection. It was as if he had forgotten the world and the people in it.
I'm Gizmo. Who are you? I love you.
At first, we just sat near him. We didn't speak too much. We didn't try to touch him. We wanted him to feel our presence and slowly learn to trust. Occasionally, he would utter a small, random word, as if checking whether he was safe.
Hello.
Hello.
What are you expecting? Come here.
Those moments were quiet, tentative, and fragile. Then one morning, while I was making breakfast, Gizmo spoke for the first time with his own words.
I'm Gizmo.
I'm Emily.
Really?
I am!
That moment made us realize he wasn't just repeating sounds, he was communicating meaningfully.
What you doing?
I'm looking for my tablets.
What's up?
I can't find them.
You want some?
I do, I need them.
Oh. Gay bird.
That small miracle began to slowly change the quiet of our home.
You want a pistachio? No?
Yeah.
He couldn't fly. The years in the cage had weakened his wings.
Wow!
But for him, the greatest freedom was moving confidently around the house.
Hey, come here. You're walking away.
And we did everything we could to make sure he felt safe and happy.
Big wings. Big wings. Big wings. Big wings. I'm dizzy.
Gizmo is no longer just a pet. He is part of our family. When one of us is sick, he sits beside us, and when we laugh, he laughs along.
Wow. Isn't it tough?
It is tough.
The first thing to greet us when we come home is his quiet voice, and in his eyes we see a silent, "I trust you now."
Yeah, that's funny.
Is that funny? Well,
What can you look for?
He isn't a showy parrot or a constantly playful companion, but he is real, fragile, gentle, and completely lovable just as he is. We love him not for what he could become, but for who he is.
yes, she does. Mom does love her bird.
And his talking, some people don't believe it's real. Some even think it's fake.
Hey Giz, what do we do when people say our videos are fake? Yeah, you give him the stink eye.
If Gizmo's quiet yet loving journey touched your heart, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to TT Paws. Here, we continue to show how even the most delicate hearts can find trust and love.
Peekaboo.
I see you.
Give us a kiss. Goodbye.
See ya.